Hello guys, have you used something called bedtime mode in your phone? So we are using Vivo Y51 and we will show you how to use it. So basically before going to that, this bedtime mode is part of digital well-being, which is basically introduced around June 2020. Um, Android phones as a with versions 6.0 or later. So we'll see how to set it. Um, just before the settings, this bedtime mode is nothing but generally when we sleep at night, we will see that our sleep gets distracted because of these messages or calls or whatever the alerts or notifications we get. So this to keep the phone into sleep mode with the screen bringing it being in gray color, and helps us to have a peaceful sleep. So just to go to the settings, if you scroll down in your Vivo Y51, here go to this screen as shown, and then here you will see bedtime mode as a part of digital well-being. Click on this. You can see here there will be two modes. One is do not disturb and grayscale. So if you want the phone to have like you want it still have notifications and all, you can disable do not disturb and you can have a grayscale on your phone, and then when you click next, you can set the time. There are two options here in the setup bedtime mode. One is you can create your schedule over the entire week. Example, here it is now 11 p.m. night to 7 a.m. in the morning, or you can keep this bedtime mode only during charging. So there are two options in this, and then when you click done, you will have this enabled. So I'll click done here. So that is how you will do this. So and then you can go here, send whatever the feedbacks, everything. And now if we go back to the settings, you can see now it is already enabled, and the entire screen seems to be on the gray side. So a good feature to save the battery, to help you have a peaceful sleep. This I'm using, as I said, Vivo Y51 to explain you what is happening. Try it in your phone and try all the digital well-being features. This particularly I liked because it helps a lot in things. Thank you.